November the 12th. First snow. Yep. Our poor pumpkins. Are you having fun? Yeah. It's not much, but he had to come out and play.
There's snow everywhere.
Snow everywhere. Isn't our backyard beautiful? Imagine what it looks like. It's all green or colorful leaves. It's so pretty.
Hi.
How old are you? 5. Who's your favorite superhero?
Superman.
Superman. Today's November the 14th. Look at my cute little drawing Connor drew. He says that was Daddy and him, Oscar, and he says Mommy's up here. Anyways, here's some paintings he also done. But, and a picture frame that I didn't put a picture in real life here, you guys. But look how bare my refrigerator is. Yeah. We's going to the grocery store today because I keeps it real. I wanted to share it with you guys. I have like 1 pack of meat, veggies, some nuggets, some ice cream, some more veggies, some potato sticks, and some popsicles. So yeah, it's grocery time. So I'm probably going to do a 2-week stock up. Boiled eggs for breakfast. Working on my grocery list. It's a hodgepodge of a mess, but we're going to organize this. Just got back from grocery shopping. We done the Save-A-Lot, Walmart. Only because there was things I couldn't get at Save-A-Lot that I needed at Walmart. Plus, my bank has a branch in Walmart, so yeah, needed to go there anyways. So yeah, here's some stuff. I'll show you my fridge and freezer in a minute. Completely stocked up. Can you guess what we're having tonight, just for like quick and convenient meal? But cheeseburgers. Yeah, I know, right? But yummy nonetheless. And I'm starving right now. And tip, never go to the grocery hungry. Oh yeah, just never do it. You'll come back with way more. And it's probably safest to do the grocery pickup, to be honest. But I did get a little over 2 weeks worth of meals, you guys. So I am going to start back doing the What's for Dinner series video number 5 soon. So we will be seeing that probably in December. Way more stocked now. We got our eggs, I got our milk, I got coffee, cabbage and tomato and grapes. Filled Connor's little snacky drawer as well. Got some smoked sausages. Got stuff for pizza casserole, meatloaf, blade steaks, Mississippi roast, turkey dinner one night, and a bunch of quick, easy meals that I mentioned in my grocery haul. Also, fun little side note, I did pick up some of these dollar box candies, some M&Ms for Connor, peanut butter M&Ms for me, and cowtails for Daddy to eat along with our popcorn on our movie night. John and I watched Dawn of the Dead last night. One of my favorite movies. Love that movie. Love zombie movies. If you didn't know about me, anything zombie related, I absolutely love. Zombies are my favorite. And you'll probably often hear me reference like Nazi zombies and stuff like that sometimes if you've been watching me for a while, because I just love zombies. They're my favorite. And I don't know what we'll watch tonight, If we watch anything tonight, I might do some editing instead. But for the next movie night or movie week we have, because we do that a lot, we got some fun sweet treats. Hello guys, it's been a few days. Today's November the 22nd. I just filmed a Dollar General haul, very small, but I found some really fun stuff I had to share with you guys. I got a 10-piece LA Colors eyeliner set for $5. What a steal. Look at these shades. And you recently seen my makeup declutter, and I got rid of so many eyeliners. It's totally worth the $5 if you were wondering. We'll do a video on that later. I also picked up a matte liquid lipstick, and I also placed an LA Colors order. I got a fun candle, got some stocking stuffer, got some garbage bags, ooh, and got a new background for my videos. Also, Connor's a little loud, but that's okay. He's playing Roblox Ben 10. So, yes, that's what he's doing right now. I also got a really awesome shelf at the Dollar General, and we're getting ready to revamp my nail polish collection. Yes. I'm so excited. I have my turkey thawing for tomorrow. Good morning. It's November the 23rd, and our turkey is cooking. Yes, I make my turkey in the crock pot. It is so tender, so juicy, so tasty. It's just a turkey breast also. And yeah, today we're having our Thanksgiving. It doesn't have to be on Thanksgiving Day. You can give thanks on any day of the year. Never forget to give thanks. So along with the turkey, I am fixing some green beans. I would fix peas, but my husband really cannot have peas. If you see in my dinner videos, if we fix peas, John cannot have peas. They have like holes, and he has diverticulitis, if you didn't know. So we're doing green beans today. Cornbread stuffing. I already have the cranberry in the refrigerator. I have some rolls. I have a pumpkin pie in here. I'm making some deviled eggs. I know, it's a big dinner. Typically, it is John, myself, and Connor. We will feast on this meal for a couple days because there will be a ton of leftovers. And my grandparents, they always get a plate, and John's cousin usually comes over and eats with us as well. So I may have to, I'm also making mashed potatoes, of course, and a gravy. So that's going to be our Thanksgiving today. Also, my beauty area is completely turned upside down. I told you, I keeps it real. It's a disaster. Disaster. And also, if you didn't know, I've said it a bunch of my videos because I don't care if anybody knows, but my beauty area is in my dining room. So it is a disaster in here, a total disaster. So I need to try to get this cleaned up today. So along with cooking Thanksgiving and all that stuff today, I'm going to the Dollar Tree to get some organizations. I don't know if you've seen the shelf in my haul video yet, but basically I have decided to do an open kind of storage for my nail polish. If it's out in the open and I can see everything I have, I'm more likely to use it. Getting all new storage and revamped to my nail polish collection, so that's why I have not filmed one yet. Also, it was requested to do an LA Colors updated collection. I'm absolutely gonna do that, girl. I'm sorry I ain't got to it, but I just placed an LA Colors order and I have about 12 more LA Colors or more polishes coming my way, so I wanted to wait to film that for you. And plus I'm going through them, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep them all, but they're right there on the shelf, right here on this shelf. Also, this is getting revamped, so yes, I am so excited. What are you playing?
Robot superhero.
Superhero what?
Look at me.
Look at you. The worst part about big dinners, right? Right? Am I right? Dirty dishes. But in return, we have leftovers galore. Green beans stuffing, mashed potatoes, deviled eggs. I have some gravy rolls and turkey. Oh, cranberry. So, yeah, we feast. And now we must clean the mess.
I only touch.
Yes, 500 more.
Mommy, you have to touch a hand.
What's his name?
For once, No.
No.
No, what's his name?
You called him Diamond Head.
Diamond Head. What's his name? Fast.
He's fast.
Uh-huh.
What's he look like?
The boy on him. His name is Steve West.
It's hero time! Time to turn up the heat blast around here.
What's that guy's name?
Florence.
Who's that?
I don't know what he's doing.
What's his name?
A great.
Here goes!
A great boy.
Which?
Great person. We'll take the skirt off here. He was stuck.
You guys really burned me up.
He did the Hayes kid. But he was standing up.
Good morning. Happy Thanksgiving. We've already done all of our dinners and stuff, so we get to chill at home today for Thanksgiving. So I hope you all are having so much fun with your families and eating good food, of course, and giving thanks. Remembering what's important, always being thankful, always thanking the Lord for what you have, and always, you guys, thank the Lord for the family you have. Today, because we already done our turkey dinner, you saw that, I'm making buffalo ranch chicken breast. I do have a recipe, will be linked below. This is such a good recipe, and I hope you guys will try it out. Almost a week later, I finally made it to the Dollar Tree. Can you believe it? We're gonna do a mini haul because it's seriously not that many items, but I wanted to share anyways. I also wanted to give you guys a sneak peek of more things to come to the channel. I got it. I finally got my hands on it. It took almost 2 weeks to get here, and I will probably talk about that when we do this video. But yeah, I got the Mega Glow highlighting palette and the Wet n Wild 40 palettes. Yes, and I got these on sale. So if I bought these regular, it would have been $30 and something, but I got them on sale and I paid $15. $10 for the palette, $5 for the highlighting palette, and all together with shipping and stuff, $21. Yes, what a steal. Still a mess. But while I cook lunch and Connor is taking some YouTube time, I am going to fix another color tattoo of mine, and this is Toughest Taupe. I used this today and it is really dry, so we're fixing it. So for lunch, since we were talking about lunch, I was actually show you what I'm fixing. I'm making a creamy broccoli tuna pasta, and it's just the hamburger helper one because I know Connor's not going to eat dinner with John and I tonight. He really doesn't like the buffalo chicken, but John and I really love it, so I try to make him something alternative to that. And he wanted tuna pasta. Plus I have to babysit tomorrow, so I know all the leftovers will be eat of this.
Look at me. I'm craziness. I'm just hey. Take my breath away. Ooh. Receiver. Bye. Bye. I'm gone. He's fun. Knock it off the chair. Look at the channel. My name is Connor.
What toys are you playing with today?
Cookies. diaper. I got the treasure. We got that treasure. That's your treasure. It was your treasure. Hey, I want to take a stereo wagging pizza. Wagging pizza. Ah, yes, I got the treasure. No, you didn't.